look in my life. August is a bit busy for me because I have so many interesting flights, so definitely I'm gonna go out. Tomorrow, yes, I'm going to Madrid and it's my first time there. Hello, I just arrived here in Madrid. I have 24 hours here in Madrid, and actually, it took us some time to get out of the airport. So, the 24 maybe I would say is around 20 because you have to minus 2 for your preparation as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly get dressed, and my friend and I are gonna take an Uber to the city. So today I'm gonna wear a black dress lang. Simple girl ang atake. Because it's summer, so I'm gonna take advantage of the weather. I never get to wear dresses this much unless I'm going to Asia. So yeah. You okay?
Maybe I'm okay.
So yummy!
Just have to buy. I'm mixed.
Like after a while, like every flight you get asked this thing. Like the naked guy, oh.
Yeah.
But it's so small.
You mean
When your friend is asked to be somebody's photographer.
so hot?
So hot. I'm with the most Asian person ever. He brought a fan, an umbrella. He's ready for the weather. Guys, medyo iba yung amoy dito ha. May kilikili. Para lang tayo nasa Mall of Asia, guys. It worked? We're here at El Retiro Park. Oh wow! They're eating. Look at that small one. And some fishes as well. Let's go. back in the hotel. My friend Han and I, we just took Uber coming back. Actually, we went there by Uber and we came back by Uber because going from the airport area to the city would take you around 1 hour if you go by train. And it's my first time here in Madrid, so I wanted to see what the city looks like and I wanted to practice my Spanish. I was complimented by two locals about my Spanish, which is good enough for me because I would apologize after and tell them like I'm sorry, my Spanish is broken, and they would just say no está bien, something like that. We ate so much in the mercado today that both of us couldn't have dinner anymore. But now I feel like I'm gonna get hungry in the next 30 minutes, so I did bring cup noodles with me, and this is always present in my bag unless I'm going to a destination where it's not allowed or they're very strict about it. So yeah, I always have survival food inside my bag. But yeah, opinions about Madrid. I think Madrid is more relaxed. I mean, this is just my observation being there for like 5 to 6 hours. Definitely, if you ask me, I would still probably choose to live in Barcelona because of all the architectures that are nearby and the good shopping experience. But maybe I just haven't explored Madrid enough. So yeah, that's me. I'm gonna enjoy my cup noodles. Then I'm gonna sleep by before or by 11. Guys, this is a must have when you stay in hotels all of the time. This is the spray that I use for bed bugs. Hi guys, I just went for breakfast because it was free, but normally I don't go. I mean, not that I can't pay for it, but it's just that I don't like going out of my room in the morning and sitting in front of a lot of people.
Es un cómic. Tiene dibujos, dibujos.
Dito pa yung baon ko, guys.
El teléfono está sonando.
As friends. Hello.
Hi. Sorry.
It's okay. Plug in.
I've brought my matcha shaker with me, and I also brought outside. Look at that. Hey, matcha. Good morning, y'all. I landed from my flight from Madrid last night just before 12 midnight. So I got home around 1:30 and I caught up a bit with my best friend here in Doha because we live together. I'm so tired, like it wasn't even a busy flight. I'm gonna be frank because you fly with different people every day and sometimes there's just a mismatch with energy in terms of work. I just feel like I deserve to get paid twice from my efforts yesterday. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm going to Shanghai tonight. That is one of the most exciting destinations in my roster because I love going to China. First of all, the flight is peaceful. Second of all, there's a lot to do. My only issue is that it's gonna rain in Shanghai, and last year when I went, it was raining as well. I had like 6 hours of sleep, and then I woke up and there's no power. I swear to God. In my accommodation, if there's no power, then you can't make food, you can't make coffee, there's no air conditioning, and it's the peak of summer as well. I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee for now. Guys, I haven't even fully unpacked. And I need to pack again. This is the life of a cabin crew, I swear. But my layover is actually pretty good because I have 30 hours there. Okay, let's look for something to wear. Guys, I'm dying. The power is not back. It's been like 3 hours already and They do this habitually, like maybe once every 6 months, and every single time they do it, I'm home. It's me, just the mic test, sorry. Quick room tour.
Ang dala ko yung Amazon.
Asan? Katie ba muna ako or Chucky?
Ano yun? Dun sa cafe.
No girl, translate mo yan. Love it!
KJ. Ano yung sauce niya? Barbecue sauce.
Nagigilid lang ako, girl. So cute! Secured. So cute! Ay, ang bigat. Snoopy. Ito ba, oh? This is the anik-anik final boss. Uy, parang ang sarap. Oh my God! Ang ganda ng hair mo. I'm here in Shanghai, and this is one of my favorite layovers that I had. So far, I have spent quite a bit because I got a few things from the mall nearby. I'm so happy with all the stuff that I bought. Like, it's literally retail therapy for me, and tomorrow I have a few things that I want to buy. So, I'm just gonna show you a few things that I got from the mall. Like, this keychain just stole my heart because it's a bunny. And the bunny is so fluffy that you can see its face. And when you touch it, it's just so soft. Next, I have pens from Muji. And I also got this massage tool, so you just use it on your back. I bought some jewelry. They are butterfly earrings. And then to match with that, I got this ring. It looks like this when you wear it. It's so pretty. Oh, I got these as freebies. Honest, doesn't look that nice on me, but it's giving Blair Waldorf. From the grocery, I got yogurt. Then I got this bread. It looks so yummy. Parang fluffy bread siya. It's kind of like the Japanese bread. I wanted to try this one. Then I got 2 stacks of sesame cookie or whatever. Then I got this one because I'm so amazed by the fact that it's in a box. As you can see, like you just buy the whole box like this from the grocery. So I bought this one because I like soy milk. This is tea for my mom. Bok choy. My coffee for tomorrow. And also dragon fruit because I love dragon fruit. That's pretty much it. I need to remove my makeup now because I've had it on for more than a day, I believe. Good morning! Super pretty dito talaga. Like, I really find it beautiful because they have a lot of trees. I'm gonna close the curtain though because they have really high-tech cameras here. I've seen some videos and it just reaches like, I don't know, the other side of the earth. Wait, for breakfast I'm having this yogurt that one Chinese lady just recommended to me. Without me understanding what she was saying, she just handed it to me to put it in my basket while I was at the grocery. So now we're gonna give it a try. Yo. Oh, this is so yummy. It really tastes like proper milk. Another breakfast. Ang lalim ng bowl ng congee. Also just did my makeup. I'm so happy with my jewelry. again after a year and it's sunny. Ganda. Parang may pag-glow kasi, no? Hala! White rabbit ba yun? Nakakatakot si ate. Uy, mas malamig pa dito. Ilams you eh. Oo. Ang cute! Success! White rabbit ice cream! Outfit of the day. Mapman! Yes! Sariling ano na lang, sikap girl. Gusto ko ang nyota. Ang nyota-nyota mo. Yan, may AC. So cute. Okay. Ang pala Pinoy. One din siya. May... Ito gusto ko i-try yung... Secured! Ang chaggy. Ano to, games?
All star.
The damage. Puro pagkain naman yung isa. It was so fun. We went to so many places. Hi guys, my makeup is done and soon I will be going back to Doha. I got my favorite jasmine tea from Chaggy. Of course, my trip to China is not complete without this. Okay, disclaimer, I'm not like Pop Mart obsessed, but I really love their Nyota series. This is my second one after a year. From time to time, I want to partake in trends so I can give myself that experience. Here she is. Nyota, I am the seasons. They were all so cute, but this is my favorite one. Anything with the pets, honestly, I'll be happy, but yeah, let's see. Okay, it's definitely not the one that I don't like. I got the pink one! Oh, that's so cute! Oh my god, I got it! This is the one that I wanted and I manifested it. Look how cute! I understand the hype now. Oh my god, this is so me. If anything, I am a person who loves animals more than people. Yeah, see you guys in Doha. I'm just gonna pack this and I'll get changed to my uniform. Bye! Good morning, y'all. I'm going to Bangkok later. And I just found out that I have an assessment. I have 16 hours of layover. And yeah, it's gonna be quick and tiring. I just did this exact pattern last month and I don't know why it exists. We survive, we live. At least I'm going to Bangkok. I'm gonna eat something nice there. My flight did not take off, so I'm back in my accommodation. I was so excited because I was gonna get a massage and a facial, and then I was gonna buy a few things from the grocery. I guess that's it for this vlog because I was meant to take you guys to my Bangkok layover, but it's not happening. Tomorrow I have 1 day standby, so nothing about that is worth vlogging about because it's only 1 day, so it's not really like a layover. I'm gonna unpack some of my stuff that I packed for my supposed layover. Just so frustrating because I didn't even get a full day. I had to get ready at like 3 p.m. and got home and it's 8. So in the span of like 5 hours, I just did something that I was not paid for. But that's crew life. You have to be resilient. You never know if you're gonna push through with your flight or not. You never know if you're gonna go, like if your turnaround is gonna be a layover all of a sudden. My god, look at my makeup though. Anyway, bye.